other personality is teacher. Okay. This is the heart is the emperor, with his cloak on, right? Looking blissed out, hopefully. Yeah. This is the point of balance, number 5, right? That's why we got liver and tree pose. Because ether is called ether in Ayurvedic medicine, okay? In Chinese medicine it's called tree energy, or wood. Have you come across that before? Yeah. Tree or wood. But they're talking about the same thing. Because I'm going to come, okay, the spleen is the master, okay? Although that comes from numerology, that's not from the Su Wen. Okay? The Su Wen is general, is emperor, and here it's called minister. The minister, or the chancellor, that's the Chinese. So the three that came from the Su Wen: minister or chancellor, general, and emperor. My addition, well, Shiv's addition, Guru Parampriya, is the liver is also the teacher. The spleen is the master. The kidneys are the wise ones. No discernment, wisdom coming from the kidneys. And the lung could also be the artist in you, could also be the revolutionary in you, can also be the poet in you, the lover in you, the appreciator of art and find, beauty. Because you don't just take in air and oxygen through your lungs. When you see a beautiful view, what's the word in Latin? Inspire, or inspire. You're inspired. Same word in English. You fill yourself up. That's what we do when we breathe in deep. Yeah, and that's when we do when we use prana. You go for a run. You reoxygenate the body somehow. Yeah, and you feel this. It's a certain type of creativity, and it's the same type of creativity that comes if you go to the National Gallery and you look at beautiful pictures like, wow, it's like space to breathe, something beautiful. So, where is he? Here he is. So the lung's got quite a few personalities. He's also the warrior. He's the poet, lover, not the rebellious one, but the revolutionary, coming from, real change, instigating that through art and through music and this kind of thing. Yeah.
Are these also linked with the theory that we hold certain emotions within certain organs? So we tend to hold sadness in the lungs, right?
Yeah.
Is there a link with this?
Yeah, directly, yeah. Except sometimes it's not appreciated that the emotions are a movement from one element to another. So an example for that is people say, oh, the kidneys is fear. Have you heard that? Fear held in the kidneys. Did other people heard that? Okay. Yes and no, meaning actually, what's the first thing that happens when you see like some shocking thing? Like imagine coming across a road accident. What's the first reaction of your body? Exactly. So the fear is in the lung first, and then the body's frozen. So almost at the same moment, the kidneys are affected, because freezing is water freezes, energy freezes, can't move. Yeah? So that's fear effect. It actually initially affects the lungs. And then the grief and the sadness is in the kidneys. Because you hold the tension, and the adrenals tighten up, the kidneys tighten up, and the tears aren't coming, see? The water isn't flowing. You can't eliminate. Does that make sense?
Mm.
So what's another example of an emotion?
Well, heartbreak is an obvious one, isn't it?
The heart's broken is like, the thing is, the heart is, don't know whether to map all this out or just stick with one organ at a time. I think it might be better to stick with one organ at a time and then come to heartbreak and what that's about. Okay. Any questions? There one? We have to save it till tomorrow. Just to say, this was